Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of the 1,400 square foot log cabin build. In this episode, we reset the top story and build the roof system and log purlins, and then disassemble the home and package it and move it out of our building. So, hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Good morning, guys. This is day 6, and everything's going pretty well. It's a really beautiful morning. Last night I got this hip installed out here, and I lost some of the footage of me installing it, which is unfortunate, but there it is. These guys are working on posts for these headers, and got some details done yesterday. We got the corners all cut off to length, trimmed. We got the windows cut down. This is a cut that we make to get the window to the right size. So what we'll do is make a cut there and a cut here. We'll put it over on our bandsaw mill and just cut it right out like that. Cut it out, and it makes this window the right size. So got those done yesterday. A lot more details. So get going. It'll be a good day. The porch headers are done. Posts are all installed. I had to take the hip out over there so I could take the top row off, the reset row. So we've taken that off, and it's now down here and all set up, ready to go. We've got a row and a half laid. So that's what we're doing next. Everybody, here we are. We got up to the roof line yesterday, and today we're just finishing up the gable walls this morning, and we'll be installing the ridge beams and the purlins later today. So everything's going well. Alright, they're cutting notches for the ridge pole. We've cut the tenon on here. So ready to install this. And we'll trim off the gables. All these ends sticking out here, we'll cut these off. And then install purlins. Getting ready to throw these purlins in. These notches cut, and should hopefully get these in today. There's 5 of them, so we'll be working on that next. All right, here we are. We're got all the beams in yesterday, and we're just getting ready to start taking down. We got everything installed and looking really good. Everything's ready. Got the windows all aligned and cuts made. Got the roof line groove made in this log here. Really well, super cool looking loft area. So all right, well, that's been the build process. So now we're on to taking down, packaging, all that good stuff. So here we go. Well, the top story is almost down. Gonna cut some outlets next on this bottom row here. We're peeling the ledges and ready to package up this whole deck. So, beautiful day, and we're moving right along. We're getting this thing wrapped up. A couple bundles made. The top story is completely dismantled, and getting ready to start taking down the bottom story. So the sun is out. Morning, guys. The last day here of this project, and it's coming down. Down to row 6. Got everything else packaged up to this point. Took out the last couple of bundles from the top story and just finishing up, putting some tarp on the purlins there, some porch headers and stuff, posts. Got the stairway getting ready to be wrapped up. So just another about maybe 5 or so hours and we'll be on to the next project. So it's been a fun project. All right, we're finishing up the last 3 packages. They're about to be taken out, loaded on the truck over here, as well as a load on it right now, and gonna do some cleanup and slowly wrapped up. Been fun. So that's it for today, guys. I apologize I didn't have quite as much footage in this last video of general construction and things. I had a tight schedule with getting this house down, so I didn't have quite all the footage that I wanted to get, but hopefully you guys got the general idea. And thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. That's been it. We'll see you in the next one.